Okay, just now I just want to make some tracking on this platform. So you can see this platform. Let me just come back right here and then let me do a tracking. So I already have a tracking code. So I just want to do my tracking on this website. So let me do my tracking immediately. So wow, my tracking has been generated for me. It says track and trace. Now you can see that this is the details for my tracking. Now this package has departed from Germany. It's on hold in Dubai, and here in Germany it says payment needed. So all these were updated by the admin. Now you can see the logo of the company. Now this is the information of the tracking number. Now this is the shipper's information, and this is the receiver's information. So you can see the name, the address, the phone number, the email of the shipper, the name of the receiver, the address, their phone number, and their email. You understand? It says the status of this shipment is on hold, and this is the image. So whichever image you of the package you're sending, you're just going to impute the image here. You see the origin. This is where the image is, the stuff you're tracking is moving for. This is the carrier. This is the reference number. This is the package. This is the total freight, and status is on hold. This is the weight of what you're sending. The shipment mode is air. Now the payment method is cash payment, so the person is paying on cash. So what we can see a very clear live map of the current location of our tracking. It says Dubai here, so let's come back here and see the current location. So it moved from Germany and it's currently in Dubai, and that is why you're seeing Dubai right here. And once we also update this from the admin, the location is going to change. Now you can see we can just click here to just print a receipt for our tracking, and wow, we can see a very awesome print and printable receipts right here. So it says you can actually print it and then send it out to our client. So you can see the details. So this is the total charge for it. This comes with the amount, so you can actually impute it. And now let me just click on go back. So guys, in this video you will learn how to create this kind of tracking website. It could be called a consignment website, a delivery website, a logistics website, or a courier website. So if you're a web developer who is looking how to create a very professional and high advanced tracking websites just like what you've seen on my screen, this video will be a helpful guide for you. So if this is the first time you're seeing our video, we make videos around tech stuff and we teach you and show you ways you can actually earn money from your web design skill and then deliver professional jobs to your client. Now here on my screen you can see that this is a beautifully set up delivery and tracking website. As you all know, this is what we have here. So let me just come back to the home. You can see that this is a very robust platform that can help you create your tracking for a logistics company or a courier service company. So this platform is fully advanced. It comes with automatic email. Now let me go back to my email and then show you the details of that tracking. So you can see that this is the tracking number here. And now let me come back to this place. That tracking we did earlier on. So let me do Ctrl V and then let me paste and track that again. Okay, whoa, so my tracking is coming up. So you can see that this is the same tracking details we have here. So once a tracking is created by the admin, the client and the receiver of this package is going to receive an automated mail in their email, and you can see how professional this looks. And it has the link where you can just right click from the email and then you can go ahead and track this email and track this and do this tracking on the website. So guys, welcome back to our channel. So this video is divided into two segments. The first segment, I'm going to give you a total walkthrough of how this website works, and then the second segment is where I'm just going to show you how to deliver this professional website to your clients. Or if you want to do this for yourself, this video is a helpful guide for you. If you are a newbie or you are a pro in the industry of setting up website script and then delivering website job, this video is also good for you, because I'm going to be showing you how to get clients for yourself and then deliver this job and charge them a huge amount of money. If you've not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button below this video, give this video a thumbs up, and then most importantly turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way YouTube is going to notify you whenever we drop educating videos of this sort. So guys, I want us to get onto my system and then I show you how to set this up for your clients or for yourself, and then you can charge them a huge amount of money. So now the first segment, I just want to give you a walkthrough. So now you can see that this is a robust delivery website. Let's just reload the home page. So this is the home page. The content has been written for you already, and you can see that it's a very robust system and an advanced website that you can just use to deliver your work. So you can see the pages. The pages are very mobile responsive, and I am just going to show you so you can see that at you can just edit the name of your company, and then you can see how this works. You see that. So this is the home page of this, and clients can just come here and then come to other pages. So now let's go to an about us page. So here on the about us page, you can just see we have the about us page, and this is where you can see several details about the company. So most of the things you need has been written for you, so you just have to follow my procedure. So the guys, this is actually me doing this video, and I want you to follow my procedure in this video, so that you just get the exact same results. So I just want to take my time and then show you how to do this for yourself. So you can, clients can just come here and fill in their request, and then they can just see the company's details. They can just come here and do a nice work. So you can see that. So this is everything we need to know. So this is just the cargo page. So you see, these are the different things that this company do. So this is just basically the front end of this website. So now we also have the admin segment. So now on the admin, this is where several actions are being performed. It is from the admin that you can create the tracking, you can edit it and update it. Now this website comes with a very robust features, and some of these features are automatic email can be sent to your clients immediately a tracking is created. If a track is updated from the admin, the client automatically also receives that email. There is a very good live map on the platform, so whenever you do a tracking, you can just see that there is a live map for you to see the movement, the current location of the tracking. You can just see it. So let's do another tracking. Let me show you. So this website comes with such features as you being able to see the current location of the parcel on the map wherever it is in the country. You can just see it from the image. So another feature of this platform is that, okay, yeah, you can just see this is the current location, and it is sitting right here on the map. So if the admin updates this location on from the admin segment, you are still going to see it in the admin. So you can see that this is Dubai currently. So a little quick, I'm just going to show you how to do everything for yourself. So I'm just trying to give you some of the hints and how what is obtainable on this platform. So it comes with such features, and then another good thing of it is it's very mobile responsive, and your client is trust me, your client is going to love this website. So now let me go to the home page. Okay, yeah, this is the home page. So now I just want to log into the admin. So for you to log into the admin, it is your domain name slash admin. So once you log into your admin, you're just going to come to an interface as exactly as what you're seeing on my screen. So this is the admin segment, and you can see that from the admin you can actually do a lot of things. You can manipulate most of the things you're seeing on the front end they were edited from the admin. So you can see some of the trackings that are already being created. So this was the last one that I just tracked, so it says on hold, you understand. So you can just come here and then see all the trackings that has been created from the admin. Now let's say you want to create a new tracking, you can just come here and click on add tracking. You understand, you can just see that it is going to bring out this place. So but before that, I want to do something. Let's just see if we want to update the tracking that we've created already. Now you see that this tracking we've created here, it says the tracking is on hold in Dubai. Let's change it from the admin. So now let's say it is active now, and the current location, it's, you can just say the current location is France. So that is the current country where this you can give a detailed location of where the parcel is, but I'm just putting randomly France because this is just a video tutorial. So but however, if you have your tracking and you have a particular and a detailed address where it is, you can just input it here and then you proceed. So now let me come down to here and then let me select today, or let's say next day, and I'm going to select time. So I'm just going to select a random time, and this is cool for me. So delivery charge, I can just put $800. So this charge is going to appear on the tracking system. So the total charge is 600, and the note that we have here is ready to move. So you see, just click on update from here, so you can see what will happen now. It's loading up. So this, my details are correct. So this is the particular tracking ID that we have updated. So it said updated successfully. So let me click on OK, and then let me come back here and click on refresh, continue. So it's going to refresh this page for me now. Wow, so you can see what we have here now. It was previously on hold in Dubai. Now it is active in France. And you see the remark we made, ready to receive. Now let's come back here and see some of the details. Remember, we updated the location to France. So let's wait for this to load up. Wow, it's coming up. So now you can see that we have, it's still coming up. It's still coming up. It's still coming up. Wow, you see I will have France now. That is the location currently where our parcel is. So now let's click on print receipt. So this is just giving us a notification to print it out here. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to come and show you. So you can see that this is the price that we imputed. So I'm just going to click on go back. So this is okay for me. So now let me come back to the admin and show you some stuff. So we've been able to show you how to actually update it. So now let me come back to this dashboard. Okay, so now I just want to give you a walkthrough on what is obtainable from the admin. Now, once you log on and come to the admin, first thing you need to do is to just come to this setting. It's actually very easy to do, so I believe by the end of this video you're going to get value. So guys, if you're getting value and you love this video already, I want you to give this video a thumbs up, and I want you to comment in the comment section how to do a delivery website and stuff like that. So this is going to just trigger the algorithm of YouTube, so that this video will be shown to other developers out there who is finding it difficult to create such kind of website. You can just get on this video and then learn how to do it as you've learned. So now if you want to change your site name, so let's change our site name to ready express. So let's say that is the name express. So let's say that is the name of our delivery and logistics company. So this is the where you put the real L. So if you want to change the site logo, this is where you change it. So the company address, the phone number, this is the phone number. Okay, this is the mistake. This is an address. So let's say the address here is France. So this is France. So now the phone number, we can just put the phone number 09. So that is okay for me. So if you're good with that, so make sure that you're going to get the correct details of if you're doing this website for yourself, make sure you input your own correct details. However, if you're doing it for a client, you just get their details and then do this job for, input it on the admin, and then once it's saved, you click on okay. So now we come to shipment settings. Now what is the prefix you want all your tracking numbers to have? Now this prefix, let me come back here. You see that what we have here is AAE1. Now let's come back to this dashboard. Let me show you something. So because we set our prefix to AAE1, all our tracking is going to start with AAE1. You understand? You get this is the trick. If you still want to change, let's go back to settings. Let's do something now. Shipment. So you can see change this prefix now to DDF2. You understand? Okay, let's leave that. So number of digits in trace. Okay, we can leave it at 10. Do you want to allow printing of invoice? You understand? You can actually disable it here, but yes, I'm going to allow it. Do you want the map to show? Yes, I want it to show. Do you want the invoice stamps to show? Yes, I want it. So I'm just going to click on save. I want to click on save. So now let's confirm that edit I did now. So now let's come to add tracking, because this is where you're going to go if you want to create a new tracking. And you can see that the prefix we have here now is DDF2. Now, so this is a tracking number now that we'll be using, because I have changed it from AAE1. You get? So that is how the stuff works. So now let's come back and finish up our setting. So the next setting we have here is email settings. So make sure you to take your time and then do the configuration of this setting very well. Now, this email setting is very important, because if you don't do a good setup, your client is not going to receive an automatic email sent to them for their tracking. So you just have to come here and then click and then do a very nice edit. So I'm going to show you how to create your email from your cPanel when we get to that level. So but for now, what you just have to do is to make sure you put your website name. So this is our website name here, Control V, and then support at let's just leave it here. So let's say that's domain.com. So if that's okay for me, .com. So do you want to send mail when for a new tracking? Yes. Send mail when tracking is updated? Yes. So if you don't want to do it, you can still disable it from here, but I want mine to be like that, so I'm just going to click on save. So this setting now will enable you to send an automatic mail to your client when a tracking is created and when it is updated. So now let me still show you. Now if we come back to this email, now let me refresh this email. You see that we have received another email from the updated one. Okay, wow, you can see that we have another updated this. You see that this is the one we just did, the one we changed to France, the one we changed the status to active, and then we wrote ready to move. You understand? So this is because we enabled it from the admin, so that whenever a tracking is updated, the client will receive. Whenever the tracking is created, the client will also receive an email. So this is actually a very good, robust, and professional looking logistics and delivery kind of website. So you see that. So now let's see if we want to create a tracking. You just come here, and then the sender's name, I can just use this name. The sender's contact details, I can just use a number. The email, I can just use anyone. So sender's address, I can say Togo. Status of this thing, I can say on hold. Dispatch location is Germany. DHL, I can say carrier reference number. Weight is 67. So payment method, I want wire transfer. So you can set whatever payment method you want. Wire transfer. So the image of the package, let me locate an image. So this is actually okay. Let me get another image. So another image. So let me use this one. So that's okay for me. So the delivery time is this is the time. Quantity, we have 1. Shipment mode is land. Let's use land. The estimated delivery date is this is today, January next year. Dispatch date, it's left days back. So payment description, we can just leave it at this. So the destination, where is it going to? It is going to let's say Ghana, and we have the receiver's address. The receiver's address is Ghana also. The receiver's name is Maxima, something like that. So let's change this to, it seems there is an error there. Let's change this to Dubai. So if every details here is okay, receiver's name is Greg, and the receiver's contact is this email. We can just do a good email and say, so this is a good email. So make sure that the details you input are correct. So this is the tracking number. So let's come back here and then click on add. And wow, it says new tracking added successfully. You see that? So now let's come back here and see. So this is the tracking we just did. So let me just copy that. Let me copy the tracking number, and then let's come back to this place and then do another tracking. Come back to tracking, I do Control V, and I'm going to paste. So wow, we can see this is the tracking already. Wow, so you can see that this is our tracking details. You see the image we uploaded, you see the location, everything is here, and you see the destination is what? Germany. Wow, so you can see that this is actually a very robust stuff you can do. So now let me come back to the admin and see if there is something I need to show you again. Okay, nothing much. Okay, now guys, I want to go over to the second segment. So in the second segment is where I'm going to show you how to get your servers ready and how to set this up for yourself so that you can actually charge a huge amount of money. So let's get started with that, guys. Okay guys, so for you to get started with setting up this kind of website, first you need your domain name and you need your hosting. So I've left my affiliate link in the description of this video. So use my affiliate link. The hosting company is going to give you a free domain, or they are just going to give you a discounted price for any service you want to purchase from them, while I also get a little commission for referring you. So guys, it's a win-win for the both of us. So use my affiliate link, and the hosting is actually a very strong and a compatible one with any kind of script you want to customize on it. So guys, my affiliate link is there. So once you click on my affiliate link in the description of this video, it's going to bring you and take you to the hosting, and what you just need to do is get the domain name and purchase your hosting. So once you get your domain name, I'm just taking my time to explain this so that even if you're a newbie, you've not done this before, at least this video is a very helpful guide for you. So once you get your domain and hosting, the registrar is going to send you your cPanel username and your password. So once you get your cPanel username and your password, so with it you can just do your domain name / cPanel. So now let's say this is the domain name we got. So that Ready Express, let's say that is the name we got, Ready Express. So let's say that is the name we got.com. So as it is, so what you just have to do is /cPanel, and you just click on search. It's just going to bring you to an interface as exactly as this. So what you just have to do is just put your username and your password. So this username and password will be sent to you from the registered company where you got your domain and hosting. So okay, so once after putting your username and password, you'll be logged into your cPanel and you'll be seeing an exact interface as what you just be seeing here. So this is just your cPanel, and what you have here, as you can see it boldly written here, this is your cPanel. So once you've logged onto your cPanel, you are good to go, guys. So now you just have to come here and locate your file manager, or if you can see it from here, you can see this is file manager. If you can't see it, just come here and do a search. So file manager. So okay, yeah, this is it. So I'm just going to click on it and open. So now you're seeing these files here because I already have a dominant website on this platform, and I just set this top on a folder to just show you how to get this done. However, if you're doing this for the first time, your server is just going to be new and you're not going to be having much of this on your file manager. So I'm having this here because I already have a website on this server. So guys, what you just have to do is once you come here, locate your public_html. So once you come here, you just have to click on upload, and then you click on select files, and I'm going to go to my downloads, and then I'm going to select file, and then I'm just going to click on that file. So I'm not going to be doing this because I have a website in this domain name. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a folder from my file manager, and from that folder I am going to set this up and still show you how to do that the same with the exact same process. So I'm not going to be doing it in public_html because I have a website there. So but if you're doing this for a fresh work or for your client or for yourself, upload directly to public_html and do the extraction there. I am doing it on a folder because it is a tutorial. I just want to show you how to do it and set it up for yourself so that you can get the exact same result as me. So what I just have to do is, since I'm in my public_html, I'm going to click on folder, and I'm going to give my folder name Express, since that is the similar domain name we want to use, Express. Yeah, let's just leave it at Express. So that folder will be created. So this is the folder right here. So I'm just going to double click and open this, and I'm going to now click on upload. So it says directory empty, you understand? So that is the same thing you'll be seeing on your own when you're doing it for the first time. So I come to downloads, and I'm going to locate my file. So don't worry, this file that is being uploaded here, before the end of this video I am going to tell you how you can get access to this software so that you can use it to do your own work and easily deliver this to your clients, and you can actually charge them a huge amount within 250k to 1 million to deliver this professional job to them. So guys, let's proceed. So this is just one hack I just gave you now. This is actually the a good price range of this kind of work, so that you can do a good job and still make earn some cool cash for yourself. So now let's proceed. So while we wait for this to upload, you just need to have a good internet connection, so that this process is going to go through quick. So allow it to turn green. So this is uploaded for me. So now the next step is to come back to where it was uploaded. So let me reload. So it is right here. So now the next process is to click on this and then click on extract. Or what you just have to do, just come here and right click, and then you come down here and select extract. So this is going to extract to the folder we created, which is express. So let me extract it. So this is the exact same process you're going to follow if you're doing this on your public_html. Upload your public_html and extract it. So it has been extracted for me. So now do the same process if you're doing it in the public_html. Open the folder that has been extracted for you, and then select everything here and move. You understand? I am moving it here into the Express folder I created. So for me to do that, I'm going to remove everything at the back of Express and then leave it like this. You understand? So if you're doing this for public_html, what you just have to do is remove everything at the back of public_html, just like this. Remove everything and then click on move files. But I'm not doing this because I already have files there. So what I just have to do is I'm going to click on Express. Express, that is where it was uploaded for me. So I'm just going to click on move files. So wow, this files has been moved for me. So now let's come back to the Express folder. Now you can see that everything has been uploaded for me. Guys, we are good to go. So now next thing you need to do is you just come here and download this SQL file. So let me double click and download it. We are going to be needing it. So once after downloading it, the next thing we need to do is to go and create a database that we are going to use to set this up. So you need to create your database, and for us to do that, you just have to come back to your cPanel again, and then you can either search on the search bar here, or you just come back here and look for your database. So this is your database. So I'm just going to locate my database wizard. So this is the way you create your database from the cPanel. So let me create and let me click on that. So now it says create a database. So I just want to give my database a name. So our name is let's say Express DB, something like that. So I'm just going to click on next step. So once I click on this next step, it's going to bring out where I'm going to create a user name. So once you create that user, put a good username, maybe similar to this, and then you can type user at the end, something like that. So afterwards, it's going to show you to select a good password, and it's just a prompt that will come out to show you. So once you are done clicking, make sure you save the details that you've created from your database, so that you can use it to configure your database from the folder. You are just going to be seeing something exactly like this. So just make sure you save it on your notepad, and then after doing that, you just click on next step, and the database is created for you. So I have already created a database so that this video won't take longer time. So for that database now, I just want to, so if you've created your database, the next process is to come back to your cPanel. So once you are here on your cPanel, you just have to come back and locate to database, and then locate phpMyAdmin. So once you locate phpMyAdmin, you locate the particular database you created. So let's wait for this to come up. Particular one I created. So once you just see that the PHP database is empty, I just click on import. So what are we importing? We are importing that SQL file that we downloaded. This SQL file that we downloaded from the folder here. So let's just do that now. So let's select files, and this is our download. So I'm just going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on import. So this is going to import for me. So why this is important, let's come back one more step. So now we need to connect the database we created to our web script that we just uploaded. So for you to do that, locate the db.php file and then click on edit, and click on edit again. Okay, so you can see that we have this database. So this is why I said you should make sure to save the database details that you're creating, so that you can use it to configure it here. So this is mine. I've saved mine already. So this is my password, database password. I copy that and then I come here and then paste it. Control V to paste. I come back here, I get my database username, I copy that. Where is my data? This is my database username. I double click and Control V to paste, and then I get my database name. I Control C, and then I come back here, I double click and then Control V to paste. So this is good for me, so I just have to click on save changes and we are good to go, guys. So this is still importing. So, but for you to load up your website now, because once this is done importing, we are done with every setup needed to get our website to start running. So but for you to do it now, because I uploaded mine to a folder, what I'm going to do is I'm going to load my domain name slash the folder name I uploaded it to, which is Express. So but for you doing it directly under public underscore HTML, which means that is your primary domain name, what you just have to do is load your primary domain name and it is going to open. So now let me do mine. So this is my domain name here. This is my domain name slash the Express folder Express. So this is the folder, so I'm just going to load it. Let's see what happens now. So if that database has been imported successfully, it is going to load up. Okay, yeah, it has been imported and my website is loading a little quick. So guys, you can see that this is very easy, and in few minutes we've been able to set this website up, and this is just as easy as it looks here in this video. This website script, it has no bug whatsoever, so it's a very clean, it's built with clean PHP code, and it's a very nice web script you can actually get out there for your logistics and delivery kind of website. So you can see that this is right here and our website is good to go. So I've been able to show you how to set and do some changes. So if you want to continue stuff, you just have to come back and log into your admin, and for you to log into your admin, I've shown you previously, just your domain name slash admin. So you just have to log into admin. So but for me, that uploaded on a folder, I'll just have to do my domain name slash the folder and then slash admin. So I'm just going to click on enter. So wow, it's going to bring out the sign up page. So how do you get the login details that will be used to log into the admin? You have to come back to the database that you imported inside PHP my admin. So from there you come to admin. So come to your admin. So it's loading up. So wow, this is it. So the admin username is admin and the password is 123456. So this is it. The admin is admin and the password is 123456. So let me sign in. Whoa, and guys, you can see that this has logged me in, and this is basically how to set up this beautifully and good looking and advanced logistics website for yourself and for your client. Understand? So guys, I promise you I will be telling you how to get access to that software. So and I'm also told you how the kind of good pricing you can charge for this kind of work and charge your client. So you can charge from 250k to 1 million to deliver this kind of job with your client. So what you just have to do is get your domain name and you come and get this software from us, and this software is going for 55k. So with 55k you can actually get access to this software and you can use it to deliver your work. It's actually a very advanced and a bug-free code, so you just have to get it plug and then you play. So guys, I believe you got value from this video. Subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, and I want to see you in our next video. Take care.